What's up guys, today's video is on the top 3 best wireless keyboard in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. The Logitech K780 wireless keyboard is a top-performing keyboard that's loved by both professionals and casual users alike. Its exceptional design and advanced features offer a premium experience for a fraction of the price. The keyboard comes with a full-size layout that provides a smooth and comfortable typing experience. Its elegant and slim design makes it easy to use and easy on the eye. The keyboard also features a handy smartphone and tablet tray, which can hold all of your devices in one place while also allowing you to switch between them with ease. In terms of connectivity, the Logitech K780 provides users with 3 different options to suit their needs. You can connect to your devices using Bluetooth, the Logitech Unifying USB receiver, and even via USB protocol. The Logitech K780 wireless keyboard boasts impressive multi-device functionality, allowing you to seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices with the touch of a button. This makes it ideal for users who work with multiple devices at the same time. Overall, the Logitech K780 wireless keyboard is a top-quality product that offers top-notch performance, functionality, and design all in one. It's a versatile and convenient option that is perfect for both work and play. The Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard that offers top-notch features for gamers. Its advanced switch technology provides fast response times for gamers who demand the best when it comes to speed and accuracy. The keyboard also comes with programmable keys, allowing users to customize their experience to their liking. One unique feature of the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is its wireless functionality, which provides a strong and stable connection that's not prone to lag or disconnection. The keyboard also runs on a long-lasting battery that can last for up to 200 hours at a time, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of your gaming sessions. The Razer Black Widow V4 Pro also features a comfortable wrist rest that provides support and cushioning during extended gaming sessions. The keyboard is built with high-quality materials that ensure reliability and durability, making it an investment that will last you for years. Overall, the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is an excellent choice for gamers who demand high performance from their keyboard. Its advanced features and reliable wireless connection make it a top-performing option that's well worth the investment. The Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is an excellent option for those looking for a sleek and reliable wireless keyboard. Its advanced backlit keys offer precise and comfortable typing, allowing for improved productivity and efficiency. The keyboard's design is both elegant and stylish, with a slim and low-profile build that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its customizable and adaptive lighting system adjusts to ambient lighting, making it easy to type in any environment. The MX Keys S wireless keyboard also features a convenient USB-C charging port, with a full charge lasting up to 10 days. It also allows for easy switching between devices, allowing users to seamlessly switch between typing on their laptop or desktop computer. Additionally, its enhanced compatibility options, with the ability to connect with multiple devices using Bluetooth or the Logitech Unifying USB receiver, makes it a versatile and convenient option. Overall, the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, sleek, and convenient wireless keyboard that offers top-notch performance and functionality. Thank you for watching our video on the top 3 best wireless keyboard. We hope that our reviews and insights have helped you choose the perfect wireless keyboard for your computer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and informative content.